In this video, I am going to discuss about how to create user account, groups and add domain to PC. Also basic configurations. First click on Server Manager. And click on Tools of top. Then next click on Active Directory Users and Groups. Click on User. Then right click on User and New. Click on New. Then click on New User. Now we can create users in Active Directory. Then give user login name. This is your login name. Click on next. Then we need to add password. Click on next. Click on finish. Now our user account has created. Now we need to create group. Click on user, click on new, click on groups and give name for group. Next click OK. Our group has been created. Now we need to add users for our group. Click on user, click on add groups, go to advanced, click on find now, then select group to add. To verify that, click on group name and click on members. Now we need to add domain to our PCs. First of all, we need to basic configurations of network. Press Windows plus R and create control. Click on network and internet and click on network and advanced network and sharing center. Click on change adapter setting. Click on adapter, go to properties. Now untag IPv6. Next go to IPv4 and add static IP for your PC. Your preferred DNS server is our domain controller server's IP. This is my domain control server IP 10.20.0.5. Also alternative DNS server I will add loopback interface ID. Now our basic configuration is over. Now we need to add domain to this PC. Go to File Explorer. Before that, check connectivity between your PC and domain controller using pin command. You can see there is connectivity established between server and my PC. Now we can add domain to our PC. Click on File Explorer. Go to this PC and right click, then go to properties, then go to rename this PC advanced mode. Click on this. Then to rename this computer and change the, click on that. Then add domain. My domain name is kln.ac.lk. Click on OK. Now give your domain controller administrative credentials. My domain controller administrative account is administrator is my username, and give password for that. Click on OK. Now we successfully added domain controller to our PC. Now we need to restart this PC for apply these changes. This process takes some minutes based on your computer performance. After the restart complete, click on other users. Next, enter your Active Directory account and account password. My Active Directory account name is Chamod, and I will enter Active Directory password that I was created. Now new profile was created for our Active Directory account.